Hello, welcome, and everybody. Today I'm going to focus or share the Charlie Munger portfolio. And Charlie Munger is Warren Buffett's right hand. That's what is viewed in the market, and it's one of the very best portfolio value investors. Right. Myself, Pramod Kumar. I am a CFA charter holder and FRM certified. My channel, I cover the portfolio fundamental using the fundamental analysis of the stocks and cover the uh, different stocks and portfolios. So I have covered the Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and now I'm covering the Charlie Munger portfolio. These are the one. So one of the important stuff I like to tell you about this portfolio in like just like in other earlier portfolios of either Warren Buffett or Bill Gates, where you find a lot of stocks in their portfolio and a little bit more diverse, especially in case of Bill Gates, and I find less diversification in terms of Warren Buffett. And when I come to Charlie Munger, surprisingly, uh, and this is recent, right? Updates 1 or 2 months ago on his portfolio. I find only four stocks. Yes, only four stocks in his portfolio, and I can't believe that. So for a normal person, yes, we'll do a lot of diversification and all, but seems like he's very strong or bullish on those four companies that he is betting on that, right? So that's what I think his famous quotes are. So I won't suggest anybody to do that. Neither I will do that to have only four stocks in portfolio. But what I see, I'll try to give you as it is. Okay. So if again, who is new to my channel, kindly subscribe and put a like button and press a bell icon so you will find the new updated video. And if you want me to cover any other stocks, I have a lot of stocks which I already covered, interesting one. And if you find anything which is not covered, please let me know. So this is, I think, a little bit a short video because of only four stocks, but let's get started. Okay, so the very first one I'll try to share, if you want to make a guess, is the Bank of America. So the Bank of America is his portfolio. That's one of the stocks. Is the bank in America. And if I go to, so I am on the Yahoo Finance website. Just want to see how this. I don't own this stock, so the stock price is not that bad. Is 22.90, and then actually it's quite low as well. If you see, so let's see here. I have already brought it out. So this is, if I see from, let's say, from the 5 year. So the stock did quite well since 5 years. Of course, it's the bank, and it should be doing good. But since 2018, if you see, it's not doing well, right? Early 2018, since January, it's quite stable, fluctuating, come up, come down, come up, and come down, right? And drastically, it comes down to 22 now. It peak was 33, 34. So it's not that. I don't know much about this stock, since I know I didn't follow this, but that's what I see from the price pattern only. But it's a dividend paying 0.2, and dividend is 0.18, 0.075. So that's on the high level of Bank of America Corporation. So if we see just a high level number, the 52 weeks is $18 to 35 cents, and it's giving some almost 2.46 earning per share. Target is 27 for this year, right? And if we quickly see the financials, since we only have four stocks, let's see how quickly just scan the financial, right? So it's quite consistently growing up, except the last year 20, it's a little bit drops. But if you see, the EPS is jumped from 16 to 19. So maybe that's one of the reason. Almost double, right? Almost 2.75 from 1.5. This year TTM is negative. Okay, so operating cash flow. Let's see the cash flow quickly. 18. Oh wow, so cash flow actually drops but it goes up, so maybe that's why. And how about the liabilities, right? Operating cash flow is good, and the company has a lot of free cash flow. Maybe that's one of the reason he owns this as well. Let's see the balance sheet. Total asset, total liabilities. Oops, what happened to the balance sheet? Did I miss something? Okay, so it's only nothing much. So maybe it seems like it's not showing well all, but anyway, so this is how this is the Bank of America, and the market cap is 192 billion point 60. Okay, so that's a very high level quick view on this one. Let's take the next one. Oops, I hope I didn't mess anybody surprised there. Next one is the Wells Fargo's, another bank. Okay, let's go back and see the Wells Fargo. What's the Wells Fargo is? I don't follow this again. Well, I do have some banks, but not the American banks. And if you have any banks, maybe can you put on the comments which other banks you follow, so we can see, and if you like them, why you like them, and what's your opinion on Bank of BAC, the ticker, right? Bank of America and this Wells Fargo's. So this is again, this is 100, little bit less in terms of market cap as compared to BAC, which was 190 something. This is only 100, and the stock range is quite a wide actually for 1 year, right? 22 to 54. Maybe it's penalized by all, but EPS is quite good. So the ticker is WFC. So let's put the ticker here, so we can quickly see, right? Okay, yeah, I expect them to dividend 0.4. Wow, it's reduced. Maybe the stock split happened or something. Okay, here, wow, the price is quite up, right? And then it's jumped down. That's not bad actually. Is year to date, this is a 5 year, right? 5 years. So the stock is quite consistent and keeps, but it's not going up in terms of the price. If you notice, right, within few years it's quite stale from 2016 and onward, right? Okay, let's go back. Oh wow, it was up before. I never owned like this kind of stock. If you see, like 2013 it was quite high, and then it's rally for many years. To 2017 it's lower, right? And then it come back. So anyway, I don't want to look into this financials, so maybe you can check yourself. Let's take the another one before I. Okay, so another one is Bank of America. I think I just did, right? Bank of America, Wells Fargo's. Maybe I missed something. Let's take the another one. Okay, another one is Porsche. Oh, I think it's a Porsche car or something. Let's see. The third one is Porsche, POSC, POSCO. What is this? This is POSCO ADR. Okay, this is more, seems like a steel company or something. Let me. Okay, just to save time, I brought that stock ticker. So this is a POSCO ADR, and I am on the market watch. This is another company where you can see the stock price and performance. So right now it's at the time when I'm doing this, this is 21st of March. This is at almost $36, and the range is not for this year. Wow, it's 35.51 to 36.25 for the days range, and the 52-week range is 26 to 54. Is quite a big range. The P/E ratio is quite low there. If you notice, is under 10. Wow, and the earning per share is 3.91, and dividend is $1. Wow, and that's not bad actually. If you see from high level, and the beta is okay, it's 320 million share. Okay, volume is quite down. So let's say Okay, so the chart here, I'm a bit 5-year chart. Let's click on quickly 5-year chart, and if I see here, the stocks was quite up and down. We'll remove this noise, right? Volume, dividend, earnings. Okay, so now it's a little bit clean. Okay, so and this one too. So if I have this one, it seems like for how about 10 years. So this is a pretty old company. Seems like a steel company. So it was, so 2010 it was higher, and then it's keep going down and down. So I'm not also very impressed on this stocks. So this one is, if suppose in 2011 you own this or 113, but now it never come back, right? So since 10 years it's keep down. So this is another portfolio from his portfolio stock. So let's go to the next one, and next one is US Bancorp. Sorry about that. So let's search that. Maybe I'll go back to here, US Bancorp. What is this? Was a US consumer banking. So then is another bank. So mostly seems like he is doing the more on the banking side. So most of this portfolio is on the banking portfolio, because out of 4, the 3 stocks are the banking. So maybe on the financial sector he's more stable, and he doesn't want much fluctuation in his portfolio. So at this time of the age, so that's I'm thinking one of the factor. And in this stock again, the P ratio is less than 10, beta is this, and 1.19, and market cap is very less, 47 or 48. Okay, so that's on this stock. And quickly, if we see the, luckily I have this window, I didn't go, so let's go to the USB. Let's see the price performance for a few years. In the 5 years, okay, if you see here from 2016 or 13, it goes up and then up. It's not bad actually, it goes up. So this stock overall rally is doing pretty good on the price side. Although from 2017 it's quite still but overall it's going up, right? It's going slowly and up. And RSI is lower here. Oh wow, it's way low, right? This price is way low. So this looks a little bit interesting, because right now the price is only 32 and the stock was 60 before, so, and it's still 50% down. So let's see, and the RSI is also low. So let's see this stocks. Let's see the financial of this stocks, right? Because if we notice, the PE and the beta is low as well, right? Wow, 40. Okay, that's okay. So the income statement, so the net income is increasing, not a problem. Earning per share is quite increasing, which looks good, so quite stable. Let's see the cash flow. So the cash flow is, wow, it's increasing 3, but it drops significantly in 2018 and then dropped again. So the free cash flow is increased and dropped in 2019. So we need to see the company 10K and all to properly see what's happening, but this is pretty much on his portfolio. Okay, so do like my video, and put a comment and whatever next talk you want to see, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.